Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we've got a special collection inside here. As most of you guys know, the month of October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and Madam Glam has brought out a breast cancer awareness gel polish collection, which is called the Think Pink collection. So they've partnered up with a breast cancer awareness charity, and every single bottle that you guys buy out of the Think Pink collection, $1 of each of those bottles will be donated to breast cancer awareness. So that's really, really nice. And not only that, anyone that places an order over $100, they also get one of these special breast cancer key rings as well. So with that being said, should we take a look at the colours? While I'm swatching them, I'm going to tell you a few facts and statistics about breast cancer awareness. So let me just get my swatch sticks ready and we'll get them swatched, shall we? Take a look at them. So I just want to tell you a little bit about Madam Glam gels. So all Madam Glam gels are 21 free formula, hema free, cruelty free, palm oil free and vegan. You get 15ml in your glass bottles. You've got your ingredients on the back there. You've also got your directions. Madam Glam gels cure for 30 seconds in an LED light and 2 minutes in a UV light. You've obviously got your swatch on the top there as well. Should we have a little look at them, see what the colours are like? You've also got the names on the bottom as well. So this one is called Rosy Nude. Oh, that is a beautiful colour. Smells like bubblegum as well. This is the second gel that I've had from Madam Glam that smells like bubblegum. Funny enough, that was a pinky colour as well. Oh, I like that. That is definitely one of my kind of nail bed colours. I like it. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Next one is Pink About You. I really like the labels on this one. Right guys, a little bit about breast cancer. Did you know that globally around 2.3 million women are diagnosed with breast cancer every single year, and approximately 1% of men are also diagnosed as well? So it's so important for us all, whether you're male, whether you're female, to check our breasts on a regular basis, at least once a month. So with that being said, while you're watching this video, please take this time right now to have a little check. I am going to put a picture on the screen showing the proper way for you to check your breasts. Obviously, if you're on your own, I'm not suggesting that you have a feel about if you're in public, obviously. But yeah, have a little check, guys, at least once a month, because it is so important for us to catch it at the earliest stage possible. And then lastly, we've got Daydream. Look at that. That is cram-packed full of glittery bits. Super fine glittery bits. Come on, camera. You see that? Just beautiful that is. I think I'm going to give that a second coat though. It's a little bit like a light pink milky gel with a beautiful golden shimmer running through it. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. Pop that in the lamp. And then that is what it looks like after 2 coats. So look at that, you can see it much better there. Look at that golden shimmer running through it. Absolutely beautiful. So if you want it to look like a milky gel, just apply 1 coat. Or if you want it to be a full cover colour, apply 2 coats. I really like that. Beautiful colour. Right guys, so I'm going to get these top coated now, and then we'll come back and take a look at them all together. That is them all swatched. So we've got Rosy Nude, Pink About You, Cupid and Daydream. I really, really like them. That Rosy Nude and Cupid is quite a bit different, actually, to the eye, once you get them close to each other. The Cupid is quite a lot lighter, and Rosy Nude is exactly what it is called, slightly more of a rosy pink, slightly darker. Yeah, I really like those. I like every single one of them. They is beautiful. Right, so that is them all swatched, guys. Now I'm going to crack on and do a design with them. So I'm just going to get set up and then we'll get cracking, shall we? So I've decided to make myself some press-ons. So these are already sized up to fit me. They're all buffed and ready to go, guys. So I'm going to start off with giving all of them a coat of Rosy Nude. Really, really nice base colour this is. Apart from the ring finger, that is going to be having a coat of Daydream. So let's get those bad boys painted, shall we? I love it. It smells like bubblegum. Oh, has anyone ever noticed that before? Rosy Nude smells like bubblegum. That's nice. And then we're going to give the ring finger a coat of Daydream. I will give all 5 tips a second coat off camera, guys, just to save time. Give that a cure. Right, now we are going to paint some French tips using the Pink About You. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of that on my palette. Pulled out my Madam Glam striping brush. I'm just going to paint French tip.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Like that. Then pop that in the lamp to cure. And then on this pointer fingernail, I'm going to use the Madam Glam white gel paint. I'm going to do another French tip.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just
Put that in the lamp to cure. Right, guys, so now we're going to do a marble on this white tip. So I'm going to use the Madam Glam white gel paint. I'm just going to apply that to the tip.
The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to stop.
Like that. And I'm not going to cure that, because then into that I'm going to run some of this Pink About You into that white using a detailer brush. Give that a cure. Right, on this now, guys, I want to do a bow using some of these hexes, but I think I only want to use the smaller hex. I'm not sure yet. But I want it to be quite sparse, but I'll show you what I mean as I'm doing it. So, I'm going to start off by applying a coat of Madam Glam's base coat. So I've just put a few in my little tray here. I'm just going to pick bits out that I want. Right, I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Right, guys, that's where we've got to, and they are pretty much all finished now. You'll see this one looks matte. That's because I've already given it a top coat, and then I went over it with a buffer just to get rid of any lumpy bumps. That's why that one looks matte. So, yeah, I'm just going to give them a top coat now, guys, and then that'll be them all finished. So, I think we're going to have these glossy today, guys. So, I'm going to be using the Madam Glam's No White Shiny Top Coat. And that is them all finished, guys. Look at those. What do you think? I like them. Considering I'm not really a pink girl, I actually really like them. I think they're really pretty. I really like them marble tips. Love them marble tips. And I really like the length as well. I love how neat the smile lines are as well. Look how crisp and neat they are. Yeah, I like them. So like I told you guys at the beginning, Madam Glam has collaborated with a breast cancer charity. Again, for every pink gel that is bought out of the Think Pink Madam Glam collection, $1 of each bottle will be donated to breast cancer awareness. Anyone that orders over $100, they will get a breast cancer keyring. Yeah, I think that's really, really nice. So let's look at the gels again one last time. So we've got Rosy Nude, Pink About You, Cupid and Daydream. And that is the set of nails, guys. So all the products that I've used today, I shall leave the names for in my description box below. I have got a new massive 35% off discount code for Madam Glam as well, guys, which you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen. It is GG35. So I'll leave that pinned in my comments along with the link to the Madam Glam website. So if you want to head on over there and save yourself a massive 35% off, don't forget to pop my code in at checkout. Yeah, that's everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.